When I inherited the dusty typewriter from my grandmother, I thought little of it. It was just another relic of a bygone era, its keys stiff and silent. But on a cold Friday night, as I sat alone in my dimly lit apartment, I heard the unmistakable clacking of keys. The typewriter had come alive, its keys moving with a purpose of their own. As I watched, transfixed with a growing sense of dread, the paper slowly filled with a story, a chilling tale of a man whose life mirrored mine in unsettling detail. Each line was an echo of my own experiences, from my mundane office job to the secrets I thought I had buried. The narrative grew darker, describing a mysterious figure that stalked the protagonist, a shadow with intentions as grim as the inky night. My heart raced as the final sentence appeared, a vivid description of a death I could almost feel, an ominous prediction that seemed to promise my own demise.